Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 5th of Feb, day 2 up the farm. Not sure what the plan is today yet. Everyone's just sort of getting organised, having a bit of breakfast, cup of coffee. We'll make it a plan as we go along. A little bit overcast and windy today, which should be good. It's not going to be quite so hot today. We'll find something to do. Some of the kids are still asleep, so we're just sort of making up as we go along. Dogs at the moment. And we're back up for lunch. Everything went pretty well this morning. Got a few shots of the dogs and whatnot and helped Dad with a bit of fencing. Riley and Mitchell have just gone down to Carly's pond to test out their inflatable boat. Not sure how it's going to go because that pond is covered in weeds. So we'll go down after lunch and see how they're getting on. Yeah, weather is overcast today, so not the best for shots, but we'll see how we go. Lunchtime and coffee. Is there any eels? We haven't seen any yet. Have you both been in it at the same time? Yeah. You hop in and I'll bring it up here. Just wait, we keep moving, watch. You're supposed to go the other way. Yeah, I'm back at that. Condor 2000. We are back. That was a really good bike ride. Went up around the farm trying to find somewhere to test out this new GoPro. Put it through its paces, find some mud, find some places we can get some decent shots and see how it all goes. Looks like we just made it back before the rain, so that was good timing. We'll get some footage transferred across to the computer while we get a bit of dinner on. Should be good. You sorted, Colton? Yes, you can.
Which way?
Turn it.
This way?
That. Yep. Other way. You got it.